In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply data entry jobs in Upwork. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website. This takes you to the platform where clients post jobs and freelancers apply. Once you're on Upwork, navigate to your profile. Your profile is the foundation of your job search, and for data entry roles, it's important that your skills clearly reflect what you offer, so Upwork can match you to the right jobs. On your profile, look for the Skills section. Click the small pencil or edit icon to make changes. In the Skills editor, type Data Entry. Select the relevant option that appears so it's added to your skills list. Keep your skills focused and accurate. Adding closely related skills like spreadsheet work or typing speed is fine if they truly represent your expertise, but avoid stuffing unrelated keywords. When you're done, click Save. You should now see Data Entry listed on your profile, which helps the algorithm surface better job matches for you. Next, it's time to search for data entry jobs. Go to the Find Work or Job Search area, and in the search bar, type Data Entry. This brings up a list of current opportunities. At the top of the results, you'll see sorting options. Best Matches uses your profile, skills, and activity to recommend jobs likely to fit you. Most Recent shows the newest postings first, helpful when you want to be among the first to apply. Client Spend prioritizes clients with higher total spending on the platform, which can signal reliability. Client Rating highlights clients with strong feedback from freelancers, giving you more confidence about the working relationship. Browse through the listings and look for a job that truly fits you. Read the description carefully to understand the scope and tools involved, like spreadsheets, data cleaning, or form entry. Check the project type, whether it's hourly or fixed price, and confirm the budget aligns with your rates. Review details like the client's payment verification, past hiring history, and the number of proposals already submitted. These clues help you gauge competitiveness and trustworthiness. Make sure the experience level matches your background, and that any required software or time zone expectations are realistic for you. Once you've identified a role that aligns with your skills and preferences, you're ready to move forward. By ensuring your profile includes data entry, searching smartly, and using the sorting options effectively, you'll find opportunities that are a great match more quickly and confidently.